Here's a Hisense TV with Android TV. I'm going to show you how to fix audio issues, sound issues. Basically, you have issues, maybe the sound doesn't work at all, maybe it's echoing, maybe it's delayed, maybe it's out of sync. Anyway, I'm going to give you several solutions to get you up and running right now. And these sound issues could be only in one app, several apps, or the entire TV. So the first thing we want to try is this, okay? Make sure your TV is on. Go to your power plug where it's connected to socket. Pull the plug, wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug it back in. Now go ahead and turn your TV on. You can use the remote, or you may have a button somewhere on the bottom. And then go ahead and just open that up and then test to see if your audio is now working. If not, we're going to go to the next step. Okay, so you still have audio issues, no problem. So the next step we're going to do here, again, have the TV on, and then while it's on, we're going to go ahead and pull the plug, just like this, okay? So we're going to pull the plug. Now what you want to do is look on your TV for the one button that you have, okay? On my Hisense TV, I have one button that's right here, okay? Yours may be on the right side, left side. It may be a little bit towards the back area as well. Anyway, mine is directly in the middle, right here. So what I'm going to do now while it's unplugged, I'm going to press and hold that button. I'm going to hold it for 60 seconds, basically give it a battery drain. After 60 seconds, go ahead and let go. Plug back the socket back into the TV and turn your TV on. You can use the remote, the power button, or you can go ahead and press that button right there as well. Now, if you still have audio issues, the next thing we're going to do is this. Go to wherever your circuit breakers are. So here's my circuit breaker panel right here. Go ahead and find wherever the TV is plugged into. Mine would be like in the living room. Go ahead and turn it off. Wait 5 seconds. Pop it back on. And then go back to your TV now and turn it back on. And confirm that your audio is working or not. So you still have audio issue problems. So the last step I have for you is to reset the audio/sound, okay? So simply just go to your home screen. And then from your home screen, you want to go to the settings, go all the way up. And then move over to the right, just keep going to the right, to the settings icon, that little gear icon. Click on OK on the remote. From here, you want to go down to device preferences, right there. Click on OK. And then from here, we're going to go down to where you see sound right there. Click on sound. And then from here, we're going to go down. Reset the default. So this is going to reset the sound audio to factory default. Let's click on OK. This is really quick. It's highlighted on yes. Click on OK. Give it 1 second here. Okay, there you go. It's done. Check your audio. See if it's now working. The thing is, if it still didn't work, then I would suggest start from the step 1 again. Try every single step again. Okay, if you tried all these steps at least twice, at least 70% of you guys should now have working audio. If it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. Let us know which step worked for you, which step you think worked for you, okay? Good luck, guys.